Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Sarthak Rajesh Chidrawar, and I'm basically from Nanded, Maharashtra. And I came to know about this program through my brother, and that's when I decided to join eVision TechnoServe. So today I can confidently say that this decision was totally worth it for me. So I successfully completed my 40 days of internship at eVision TechnoServe, where I gained strong and practical knowledge and industry level relevant skills. And after completing the internship, I got placed at Progressive Infovision Private Limited as a desktop support engineer L1 with the package of 2.8 LPA. So during the training, they covered all the important and required topics like the networking, virtualization, Windows administration, Windows Server, CCNA, ITIL, cyber security, so which really helped me to gain my confidence and the secure my job opportunity. So the teaching quality was excellent, and the concept were so explained in a very clear and a particular way. And also I would like to give a special thanks to Ganesh sir, Priya ma'am, and the Sati ma'am. So they always supported me not only in the training but also during the placement and the whenever I needed the guidance. And overall this program helped me to build my career in IT sector. So thank you so much to the eVision TechnoServe team. Thank you.